The first chakra is the crown chakra, which is located at the top of your head. It is denoted by the color violet and it says, I am secure. We have two poses for the crown chakra. The first one is the rabbit pose. You get on your knees and then take your crown towards your knees. The legs are straightened out and the hands are going to hold the legs. So this is the rabbit pose for the crown chakra, and the second one is the tree pose. Balance on one leg, concentrate on a point in front of you and your hands above your head. The two crown chakra poses can be done anywhere and they tell us that we are connected to the earth and to the universe. Second chakra is the third eye chakra, which is located between our eyes right over here. It says, I see, and it increases our intuition ability, the power to see beyond, have self-awareness, and it is denoted by the color purple. For this we have two poses today. The first one is increasing your gaze. So you need to look and focus at one point in front of you and keep increasing your focus capacity. You can also keep a candle lit and keep gazing at its flame. The second one for this is the child pose. For the child pose, we get back into the rabbit pose, but this time sit down on your feet and lie down completely on the floor with your hands stretched out. Your third eye is touching the floor and taking all the energy from Mother Earth. Come on. So these two can be practiced anywhere for the third eye chakra pose. Thank you. The third chakra is the throat chakra, located below your head. It says, I speak, and it is denoted by the color blue. You speak your truth, you speak your true emotions, you teach others. It's how you communicate. So for that, we're going to have two poses to increase the strength and the truth of what we speak. The first one is the lion pose. You get into the lion pose, sit down on your knees, sit here. Look up, and from your throat you have to remove the sound of the lion. Tongue out, and the voice is coming from the throat. Once again. Perfect. And the second one is the twisted triangle pose. Legs apart, twist your body, touch your feet and hands straight out. So these two poses can be practiced for the throat chakra. Thank you. The fourth chakra is the heart chakra. It's denoted by the color green because just like the plants are to Mother Earth, same way our heart is to our body. It kind of brings all our love together, it brings compassion, it brings kindness, it brings all the softer qualities which are a must for human survival. The first pose for this is the cobra pose. Can you get into the cobra pose? Lie down on your stomach, feet flat, and your body is lifted up. Can you get your chest to open up? So you're doing your heart openings here. And the second one is the puppy pose. For the puppy pose, you've lifted your buttocks up, chest is on the ground, the heart is opened up, and the hands are stretched. You can also do your wheel pose in this. Those are the advanced poses for opening up your heart because the heart says, I love. Thank you. The fifth chakra is the solar plexus chakra. The solar plexus is the part near the upper abdomen. It's above our navel, and just like the word solar depicts the sun, this chakra is denoted by the color yellow, and it gives us all the shakti, all the motivation and all the strength to say I can. So for this we will be doing the bow pose. For the bow pose, you lie down on your stomach, lift your legs, and now lift your body up. So your body is on your upper abdomen. And the second one is the bridge pose. Lie down on your back, lift your buttocks up off the ground as much as you can on your shoulders, and again you're concentrating on the upper abdomen. So your solar plexus are getting activated. The sixth chakra is the sacral chakra. The sacral chakra is located at the lower abdomen, below the navel now. Have you ever eaten a meal that gives you complete satisfaction, like real happiness? Not just that your hunger is satisfied, but your happiness is satisfied. That is what the sacral chakra signifies. It says, I embrace. For that, the first pose is the legs on the wall or the legs on top. So you just have to lie down and your legs have to be up till you make the letter L. You can also use the wall support here and keep your legs on that. And the second one is the reclined angel pose. So you just spread out your legs in a diamond shape. Your hands are stretched above, and this part, your lower abdomen is activated. Come up. That was the 6th chakra, the sacral chakra. The 7th chakra is the root chakra. The root is the base on what we live, and this is located at the base of our spine where the tailbone is. The root chakra says, I live. Why? Because it completes our basic needs: food, shelter, air, your love. All these are your basic needs, and the root chakra helps us to achieve our basic needs, to live and to be one with Mother Earth. It's denoted by the color red. The pose for the root chakra, first one, is the garland pose. Spread your legs and sit on them. Yeah, sit on your feet spread apart and push your elbows into your knees and do the namaste. So your root chakra gets enhanced with this pose. And the second pose you can do is the resting pose, the Shavasana. Just lie down and rest. Lie down one straight line. Relax yourself, hands down, and you just let go. Just live. Thank you.